Experience the epitome of innovation as we unveil the Equal Manufacturing Facility, spanning an impressive 1.5 lakh square feet along with cutting-edge machinery. It's a testament to our dedication to excellence. Witness the seamless blend of nature and technology. We are Equal, where progress meets harmony in every detail. In today's rapidly evolving world, where the driving forces of innovation and sustainability push boundaries and shape the future, one company stands out among the crowd. With a rich history spanning 2 decades, we have homered with many awards and achievements, from state and central government of India. With global presence in 15+ countries and still counting. In our state-of-the-art research and development lab, our diverse team comes together, driven by a shared passion for innovation. Our story of unwavering dedication to our valued clients and customers. As we journey together, we're committed to providing innovative products that not only enrich lives, but also contribute to the preservation of our precious planet for future generations. Every step we take is infused with the passion to make a positive impact. But our journey doesn't stop here. As we celebrate 20 years of pride, we're more committed than ever to driving innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction.